Hello everybody. In this video we are dealing with our unit number 2.5 electronic waste and its summary. In first video we discuss that it is a pros lesson 2.5 electronic waste e-waste. This is a social pros and which create awareness in the mind of students regarding the electronics gadget. The writer wants to highlight our concentration, our attentions towards the bad impact which is created by using too much electronics gadgets. And writer appeals us that it is our social responsibility to maintain, to recycle, decompose, dispose our electronic old, outdated, discarded gadget properly. Otherwise, it create problem like solid waste as well as dumping problem in undeveloped country, and it is a main reason to polluted our air, our soil, our water, and it invite variety of disease as well as crime records also. The writer asks us the questions we are always hunger to use new technology, new gadget. But due to this hunger of new technology and new gadgets, we throws near about near about 100 million cell phones in dustbin in US, 20 million televisions in dustbin in US, as well as near about after 18 months a common man change his cell phone mobile phone. And you know that only 13 percentage of the part of the portion of this discarded useless gadgets are recycled properly, and remaining 87 gadgets still remain as it is on the landfill, on the sea, on the water, on the air, and it create problems for air solution and other things. Because these discarded, unused, undisposed gadgets consist hazardous, toxic elements, and which create contaminating soil, air pollutions, as well as leaching into water sources. Leaching means it create drainage of water sources, and the same leachate enter in underground water, and it badly impact our health risks like kidney disease, brain damage to genetic mutations. Also, US department, US scientific research department searches invented that these gadgets create problems for the undeveloped country like Ghana, Gaya, China also, because in this country near about 7 boys out of 10 diagnosis as a lead positive. Near about 82 percentage people tested as a lead positive. Even their drinking water also contaminated, and the villagers community is using tankers water for drinking. This is a fact. Writer also highlights that some developed nations collect these discarded gadgets and dump into the ships, and they are using illegal shipping, over shipping issues. They send the same container to the undeveloped country on the name of philanthropist, on the name of donation, and said it is a modern technology, use it and update yourselves. Even even using this old gadgets, there are some boys, they are so badly affected because they are scavenging, they are searching to claim gold, silver, iron, copper from that gadgets, and they are facing very poisonous, fatal disease and illness also. Even the US State Department lists Ghana as one of the country which is dealing with cybercrime, because these peoples find out the hard disks and use the same data, personal data and finance data against us, and create the same things for criminal purpose. So this is a happening due to this electronics gadgets. That's why the writer appeals us. Okay, that's why the writer appeals us, it is time to limit our hunger for electronic gadgets. We should reduce our demand regarding the electric gadgets. Yeah, if you want to purchase new gadget, you should, it is your duty, it is your prime responsibility to hand over, to deliver, yeah, to give our gadget in a proper hand. That hand maybe reuse the same gadget, recycle it, yeah, decompose it properly. This gadget will not create a dump for undeveloped nation. Yeah, these gadgets is, be do not be a cause for air pollution, soil contaminations, yeah, underground waters pollution also. Yeah, it is not create any problem regarding hazards of health, yeah, environment hazards. So let us, in this video, the writer appeals us to follow some steps to avoid to be a dumping ground of these electronic gadgets and it decompose, recycle properly. Writer gives some suggestions, some opinion, some solution how to decompose, how to recycle, how to reuse the same electronic gadgets. The writer gives one options. There are, writer says that there are plenty of options for us. First, use a certified e-waste recycler. Writer said that use a certified e-waste recycler. We should hand over our gadgets in the hands of certified e-stewards. For example, an e-waste recycle certified through the Basel Action Network. Basel Action Network means BAN. BAN is a non-profit organization devoted to certifying is towards recyclers who are committed to safely and responsibility recycling electronics. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि we should hand over, we should deliver our electronic gadget in the hand of e certified Basel Action Network. This is a ban. This is a non-profit organization and is devoted to certified e-stewards, and commit their commitment to recycle old gadget properly. He also says that members take the demonstrated the pleas of responsible recycling. So working with certified e-steward means you don't have to worry that your gadget will become another nation's pollution or a criminal newest project. Band's recycle locator will help you to find the certified safety and comfort of e-steward in your area. The writer appeals us, you should hand over, you should give your electronic gadgets to these certified re-stewards. Means if you hand over it, then don't worry about your gadget that it will be become any nation's pollution or it will be a cause of criminals newest project. Second, he gives another options: visit civic institutions like school, colleges or government offices, because government know the problems, government know the fact about electronic gadgets. That's why they are celebrating specific dates to receive this electronic gadget, and same electronic gadgets are used for recycling, decomposing, yeah, to maintain its efficiency also. देखो, local government, your local government schools and universities for additional responsibly and additional responsible recycling options. With each toward becoming such a large proportion, a large problem, government offices and schools are assigning days when citizen can bring unwanted electronics to a designated dropout locations. Okay, these government offices, schools, universities, they know the problems, and that's why as an additional responsibility they welcome citizens to bring their to hand over, yeah, to give their unwanted electronics gadget on that offices for maintaining proper, yeah, for decomposing, yeah, disposing properly. Many communities post a calendar that will include recycling days, so check your local paper or visit their website when you recycle your item locally. You can make the occasion a day trip and a community event. Encourage your neighbors to join you and spread the word about educated e-waste disposals. The writer also appeals that some communities also publish the calendars in that specific days they welcome these discarded gadgets. So make a day trip, create awareness in the mind of your neighbors, and hand over. Another, explore explore retail options. It is one retailers that is called Best Buy. This Best Buy is committed for recycling properly. This is that we have a tie-up with best companies, and these companies maintain our standard for disposing, recycling our old, yeah, discarded gadgets. They also offer some sort of coupons, discounts for old gadgets. So writer also appeals us, you should hand over your gadgets to such companies, such retailers like Best Buy, who is committed for their responsibility, who is committed for their duty. They show their demonstration, they show their in their website, they show how they maintain properly. So another option is that Best Buy, we should hand over our gadgets to Best Buy companies. All gadgets like cell phones, TVs, power cords, GPS devices, speakers, DVD players, paper shoulders, memory cards, desktop, laptop, netbooks, such all electronic gadgets you can hand over. And this is that we are committed. Our partner are expert in exchanging and providing opportunity for to recycle it. Okay, and we give the prepaid postage containers also, discount offer also, reward also. You can transfer the same reward to charitable organization also. Next, a writer gives options for, first, that is called ban certified eastward. Second, that is government bodies like offices, colleges. Third, like some retailers who is welcome old gadgets and they are committed, they are responsible for their policy to recycling, reuse and decompose properly. Fourth, that is called donate your gadgets. There are some organizations which are welcome your old gadget and they hand over the same old gadget to the poor miserable peoples who cannot afford the technology. So it is good that if your devices has some life, you should hand over your devices for this organization like cell phone for soldiers, Verizon's Hope Lines, Salvation Army and Goodwills. These are the organizations which are committed to collect this old gadget. They sell and they use the same money for the welfare of students, as well as they donate the same gadget to the poor miserable peoples. And writer said that it is a better option that reuse is always better than recycling. Okay, if your electronics still have some life left, you can reduce e-waste pollution and share technology with people who will not who would not otherwise have access to it. There are some organization, writer also says that we willingly donate your gadgets if there is life, if the gadget still life, we should hand over, we should donate your gadgets to the poor. Okay, there are some organizations like cell phones for soldiers, Horizons Hope Lines. They also collect the gadgets and sell the old phones and make it way for worthy use, as well as they collect the electronic gadgets and use the same profit for the educations of poor peoples. So these are the some solution which is given by writer. And writer appeals us, final word, writer appeals us, every time you replace one of electronic devices, it's your responsibility to be sure your old one gets recycled properly. If you replace your old gadgets, it is our responsibility to hand over in a specific hands. Ideally, your first step, writer also appeals, ideally your first step will be to consume less. Don't get pulled into the hype of new technology if you can help it. If you do not want something, try to find a gentle use of version first. When you have an expiry product, take the time to find responsible east toward e-waste recycler. Be a part of solution. Help properly recycle as much e-waste as possible. You will make the earth a better place. It is our responsibility to make this earth as a sustainable place, better place, hand over to the next generations. Help help to stop digital data dumps. Feel proud of your accomplishment, meet new friends, and maybe even make your wallet a little greener. This is a final word which is used by the writer. Writer also appeals us, how do you normally dispose of your electronics? Do you have any additional tips for proper recycling e-waste? Suppose you have any additional tips, please share your tips. We can use the same for welfare of our earth. This is the e-waste, but in short, the writer wants to highlight the problems which is faced by the discarded useless electronic devices, and writer also appeals to maintain it, to decompose it, to recycle it, to reuse it, yeah, to donate it, and please less your ability to buy the new gadgets. I hope you understand it. Next video we are dealing with question and answers of the same topic. I hope you understand. Thank you.